Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Minecraft Launcher not installing on Windows 10 or 11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then you just need to write Minecraft download and click on minecraft.net. Then you need to press download for Windows and save it exe file Minecraft installer to your computer. And then you just need to basically open that particular installer. Once you see this window here, you need to press click here to log into the Microsoft Store and then log in with your particular account. Once you sign in, you just need to press agree terms and conditions and press install here. And then it should install. But if for some reason it's not installing, you're getting some sort of error, I will show you what to do next. Open up Microsoft Store, press on your profile icon here, and that is here. And then you just need to sign out of your account. And then after you do so, you need to sign back in and look if the problem persists. Then on Microsoft Store, you can look for Minecraft Launcher, and then you can install directly from here. It should be an option for you to install it. And if it's not working, then you just need to go to settings. Then you need to go to a time and language, date and time. Make sure set time zone automatically and set time automatically is on, and also press here sync now button. Then you need to go to network and internet, go to the VPN section and make sure you're not connected here. Also, what you can do here is to go to advanced network settings and then network reset and reset your network as well. Also go to Windows Update and look if there is updates available for you. If there is, just download and install them. Another thing that you need to do here is to write view network connection, find your internet connection, right click on it, go to properties, look for Internet Protocol version 4. Then use the following, press on use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4, apply the changes. Then open up CMD, run as admin, write few commands: IP config space // DNS, another command is /winsock reset. And then you need to go back to a Microsoft Store. Just look for Microsoft Store, right click on it, app settings, and wait until it loads up. Then you need to scroll down. You should see reset button here, press repair. And after you do so, then press reset as well. Then open up run or press Windows and I key, and then you just need to write double s reset.exe and click on it. Wait for a couple of seconds and Microsoft should reset, and then try again. Another thing that you can do here is to open up Xbox app, wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up, and then you can get Minecraft Launcher on Xbox app. Just look for Minecraft Launcher here, and then you need to just download from here and look if the problem persists after that. If the problem persists, go to minecraft.net and go to downloads again, scroll down until you see Windows Legacy, and download and install Windows Legacy here and look if it's working for you or not. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.